Back to you. We have some breaking news coming in. The Health Ministry has just updated the numbers and we're going to put out the latest numbers. They're on your screens right now. The death toll has now reached 1,694 and the total number of active cases have crossed 33,000. The number of cured patients is now 14,000 plus. So the total number of cases is 49,391, which is closer to the 50,000 mark. The total number of active cases have crossed the 33,000 mark and the casualties at 1694. Giving you the breakup of the states across the country, Maharashtra has crossed the 15,000 mark, like we just pointed out. In the total number of cases in Madhya Pradesh has crossed 3,000, and in Delhi, the total count has crossed 5,104. Editor Niranjan Narayanaswamy joins us on the phone for more. Niranjan, the number of cases rising on a daily basis, but the situation in Maharashtra, Delhi and Madhya Pradesh and also Gujarat, a picture of concern.
Well, that's correct. The total number of deaths has gone up to nearly 1,700 now, 1,700. It's at 1,694. The total number of recoveries is at 14,183. The total cases India has recorded so far has been 49,391. Now, going by the breakup, Maharashtra is still the biggest, the state with the biggest, surge and the most number of cases with 15,525. Mumbai alone recording nearly 10,000 of those cases. And the second concerned state this morning is Gujarat with 6,245 cases and has recorded 368 deaths. That's nearly half the deaths recorded by Maharashtra. So Gujarat is recording 368 casualties. And Delhi, with the third highest number of cases with 5,104, has recorded 64 deaths and 1,468 recoveries. Now, the other concerned states across India are Madhya Pradesh, which has recorded 3,049 cases, 1,000 recoveries and 176 casualties. The other states that are recording over 1,000 cases are, of course, Tamil Nadu is the other concerned state with 4,058 cases, 1,485 recoveries, 33 deaths. Rajasthan with 3,158 cases, Punjab with 1,451 cases, Telangana with 1,096 cases, and Uttar Pradesh recording about 2,880. West Bengal has recorded 1,344.
Right. Niranjan, they're pointing out some extremely important numbers from across the country. If we look at the combined figures of Delhi, Maharashtra, Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh, the total comes up above 30,000. That is more than half the cases across the country, and the death toll that is accounting for from these 3-4 states. So that is a picture of concern. Maharashtra in particular, like Niranjan pointed out, and there are other states that have now reported more than 1,000 cases. West Bengal is one such state which has now 140 casualties and 1,344 cases. The mortality rate has now gone up to 3.4%. It was around the 3.1% mark just a week back, but now it is 3.4%. Let me go to Madhurima right now, who's also reporting from the national capital. Madhurima, the total number of cases in Delhi has crossed the 5,000 mark. So the Arvind Kejriwal government has repeatedly said that it is anticipating the spike in the number of cases. What are you picking up from the ground?
I am in Barakhamba Road area of the national capital. This area houses a lot of MNCs, government buildings and government offices and private offices as well. After the Kejriwal government announced relaxation in resuming work, that 33% in private companies will be allowed and 50% capacity of government offices will be allowed. We can see that this area, which was deserted from past 1 month, has begun. There's a lot of movement in the area. These MNCs and these private offices are opening up. We are seeing a lot of vehicles flying on the road, which was not the case from past 1 month. Also, what I'll request my camera person to zoom on my side, that heavy barricading has been done. This barricading has been done so as to segregate this area also into different parts. That they have divided sections of buildings so that to restrict the movement of employees who have joined work after the relaxations have been announced by the Delhi government. As of now, as of today, like you pointed out, 5,000 cases we have crossed the mark of 5,000 cases in the national capital. Let me highlight that 1,000 cases have been reported in past 3 days of 5,000, the number which we stand today. 1,000 cases have been reported today. Ever since the Delhi government has announced these relaxations, things have been little on the bitter side because people are stepping out of their houses where the maximum of them are following the rules, wearing masks, practicing social distancing. A lot of them are not, especially when it comes to the sale of liquor. Even after increasing 70% of the prices by levying the coronavirus tax, we saw in the past 2 days that how people were gathering despite of restrictions or police force enacting against them. They were deterrent and were standing in front of the loo and flouting the social distancing norm. At the same time, we have to realize that in the end of the day, social distancing and wearing masks and sanitizing and keeping ourselves clean and at a safe distance is the only ammunition we have against our sleeves. So Delhiites, with rising numbers and all of its districts, all 11 districts being in red zone, we have to be careful. And it is imperative for us to make sure that the cases do not rise. We break the chain. Even as the relaxations have been levied across the national capital, and the Delhi Chief Minister rightly pointed out that the time has come that we have to, start living with the virus, and we have to keep ourselves while living with the virus. So I believe that in the national capital, the relaxation will be levied more because the economy is dipping, and we have to revive that also because we cannot take another hit at this time. So this is from the national capital where cases are above 5,000 marks. 64 deaths have been reported. Back to you.
Right. Madhurama there reporting from the Barakhamba Road area in the national capital, while Shantrashree and Sumi also reporting from different parts of the national capital. The situation in the national capital is right now under control as far as the mortality is concerned, but the number of infections is rising.